Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you Unit 4 from the Diary of Anne Frank for class 10th. In previous classes, I have already taught you about this chapter. Today I continue my lecture, so listen carefully. First, I want to read out some lines of this chapter. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty if I were to plunge right in, I had better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. My father, the mother adorable father I had seen, didn't marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. I was born on 12 June 1929. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. My father immigrated to Holland in 1933. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank, went with him to Holland in September, while Margot and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. Margot went to Holland in December and I followed in February. Then I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margot. I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School. I stayed there until I was 6. At which time I started in the first form. In the sixth form, my teacher was Mistress Cooperas, the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. In the summer of 1941, Grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. So my birthday passed with little celebration. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other, and Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. The four of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. These are the lines of this chapter. Now I am going to elaborate these lines. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty if I were to plunge right in, I had better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. Through these lines, Anne describes about her own feelings about the Kitty. Kitty is the name of her diary, so she did not want to say something about her life, but she described herself. No one understand my feeling, no one understand my diary. So she start diary writing without any without any things that is understandable for the others or not. My father, the most adorable father I have seen, did not marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. In these lines, she describes about her parents, father and mother. And she said about her father and she described my father was the most adorable father, and he was married with my mother when he became 36 years old, and my mother was 25 years. My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in January 1926. She has an elder sister who was born in Frankfurt in Germany 1926, and she was born on 12 June 1929. She lived Frankfurt until she became 4. My father immigrated to Holland in 1933. My father and mother both are immigrated to Holland, and I and my elder sister sent to grandmother's house. H. Margot went to Holland in December, and Margot, my elder sister, went to Holland in December, and I followed in February. When I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margaret. In that day, the birthday celebration was celebrated my elder sister Margot, and in that time I was plunked down on the table for her birthday presentation. In that time I was like a doll, so my parents presented me to my elder sister's birthday party as a gift. I started right away at a Montessori school. It was the time when I started reading, when I started to go Montessori school, and I stayed until I was 6, at which time I started in first from, in sixth from. In the sixth, my teacher was Mistress Couperus. Mistress Couperus was my teacher or headmistress. When I separated her, and both are and we said a heartbreaking farewell to each other. In the summer of 1941, Grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. In summer 1941, grandmother became very ill, and she has an operation. So my birthday passed with little celebration, no celebration organized on my birthday. Grandma died in January 1942, and no one knows how often I think of her and still love her. No one knows about my nearness to the grandmother, and this birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the others. The grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. In 1942, when the birthday celebration was organized, and in that time, the remember of her grandmother, she lit a candle there. The 4 of us are still doing well. My parents, my elder sister Margot, and I all are very well in that time, and that brings me the present date of 20 June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. And today I gave a solemn dedication to my diary. Through these lines, she describes about her background, how she started reading, how she lived with her parents, grandmother, and how he started her school, and when he farewell her school when she became sixth class. Today, I want to stop my lecture and I suggest all the students to go through the book and try to understand you. Thank you.